Guys, this is another live from me, Ashish from GrowTricity. Thanks for joining. दोस्तों आज मैं आपको ये लाइव इसलिए दिखा रहा हूँ क्योंकि कोडेक्स का एक नया अपग्रेड आया है वेरी रिसेंटली, इनफैक्ट अ फ्यू आवर्स बैक, और इसको कहते हैं लाइव वॉइस। एंड दिस जस्ट अ गेम चेंजर। इससे आपकी वाइब कोडिंग और जितनी भी आप कोडिंग करते हैं थ्रू योर एजेंट्स एंड एलएलएम्स, दिस इज रेवोल्यूशनरी। सो आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू some uh, prompts here, and let's see how this thing really works. Okay, so looks like it is already listening to me. Uh, hey, why don't you tell us about yourself? What is this feature about?
Let me check that. Hi, everyone. I'm Codex, an AI assistant that can help plan, build, inspect, and coordinate work inside a project. This live voice feature lets you talk to me in real time, interrupt, and steer tasks by conversation, so your workflow feels more like collaboration than typing commands.
So, दोस्तों ये this is live. This is actually you don't even use your hands at all. You literally talk to hands free your agent. This is incredible. मैं आपको एक छोटा सा डेमो दूंगा. I am managing a number of chats and I'm actually was trying to publish some videos for myself, and this release came in and I started practicing, I mean playing with it, and I thought I have to share with you guys. So देखिए, I have this project folder of my startup, and I'm going to unmute and say, hey, let's get to do some work. Hi, Codex. So, do me a favor. How's my calendar doing with the content management? We already discussed some gaps, and I only see one of the agents working. And can you tell me what's with the latest content calendar bug we had identified?
I'll check that. The calendar's been fixed so YouTube Shorts and Meta content each show up clearly. The bug was the calendar view making some days look complete when Shorts or Meta items were actually missing.
Okay, so let's see if my calendar is truly fixed or it is just, let's see, I'm going to show you my calendar. Okay. So what has been fixed is my meta calendar, and this is my schedule. And hey, I see that there is still on 1st August, I don't see in my meta any content being scheduled. So I still see it empty. Can you verify?
I'll verify that. Confirmed. August 1st is truly empty on Meta. The fix exposed that gap, it didn't fill it. So Instagram and Facebook have nothing scheduled, and YouTube has a long video but no shorts for that day. So that's a real hole to fill.
Okay, I hope you can take care of this issue and have one of the agents fix it. Can you do that?
Sure, I'll sort that out. I'm assigning the August 1st gap to the publishing task now with permission to fill it using verified approved content and then sync everything up across platforms.
Can you tell me what agent did you give this task to?
Checking that. That publishing task has the fill authorization and will sync YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and the calendar after it acts. I assigned it to the Trio Publishing Calendar and Paid Growth task, which owns that.
Okay, guys. So look, it has assigned this automatically to this Trio Publishing Calendar Paid Growth, and you see it's working. And it did a job. And let's see what's happening inside. Uh, okay, true. Okay, here. Okay, so check this out. It says founder authorization, fix the real August 1st content gap, select the best already approved source cleared asset to fill the two YouTube short links, match Instagram. So जो मैंने उसको बग हाईलाइट किया था उसने वो एक करेक्ट एजेंट को असाइन कर दिया है एंड द एजेंट इज ऑलरेडी वर्किंग and so keep let's keep talking to this voice agent, and you can see this little bit wave, that's sound wave kind of icon you can see on the left hand side. This is where it shows that it is the voice thing. I'm still discovering, this is very new. Let's see. Okay, great. And what about the other videos which were supposed to be approved by me? Can you open one of the storyboards so that I can have a look and see which one are already ready to be approved and viewed?
Sure, let's pull one up. I'm pulling up the current approval board in one place.
So दोस्तों आप देखेंगे कि ये मेरे लिए उसने स्टोरी बोर्ड खोला है. मैं यहाँ
I
खोलूंगा.
opened the approval storyboard with the approved 5-minute master and all the ready vertical cuts. Tell me which one you want to check first.
So दोस्तों, this is how I build my content. You can see here. And this is my storyboard. I create my content and then I approve it. I read each one of my contents and then उसके अंदर जो error और problems होते हैं, so and then I publish it and schedule it for my Meta and Instagram. So isn't this great that I don't even have to type anymore, and this voice thing can control all of my task just by speaking. Okay, this is really great. This is really great. I like it. Do you see any gaps in the content? I want to make sure these sources I'm mentioning, especially the manpower one and the LinkedIn job list, do we have the source and the citation links so that we can push it in the description when we publish our content?
Well, I checked the sources and citation links against what's visible in the description fields.
And can you also share it with me, those links
Mhm.
here in the chat, so that I can verify it myself?
Sure, I'll add them.
So practically ये इतना handy है कि अभी all that typing is actually gone. And I will just remove this. This is not needed anymore. Typing is absolutely gone, and it's just so much faster. And not only that, uh, because this I turned into my chief of staff, meaning this is my command center, and I just have to talk to this voice agent, and then it takes care of each agent and delegates the task to the correct agent. So this is also a very huge leap from Codex, बिकॉज अदरवाइज क्या होता था कि इतने सारे हमने चैट्स खोले होते थे एंड एटलीस्ट मेरे साथ तो मुझे जब काफ़ी चैट्स खुल जाती थी तो कौन सी एक्टिव चैट्स हैं, कई बार तो गलत चैट्स पे भी लिखा जाता था एंड देन इट यूज्ड टू बिकम लाइक स्पाइरल। बट अभी इसके साथ ये है कि आई कैन जस्ट डू माय ब्रेन डंप and this voice agent will figure out the right agent to delegate.
Here
And
are the
then
direct sources you can paste into descriptions. The MIT Project Nanda report, Manpower Group's 2026 Talent Shortage Survey, LinkedIn News India's Jobs on the Rise 2026, and PwC's Global AI Jobs Barometer. A few claims in the scripts still need tightening, so the stats match those sources exactly.
okay, great. Can you tell me the name of the videos which will be having these citations and these sources?
Checking that now.
So देखिए दोस्तों, मैं ये भी I can
Those
literally
citations apply to the AI Walla video and the Rome video series. Rome's context trailer and long cuts need wording adjusted to match the MIT source precisely.
okay. When you say it needs adjusted, meaning that I have to record the video again.
Checking that for you. Not necessarily. First, we check if the shaky bits are only an on screen text or the description, which we can edit, or if you actually say them out loud. Even then, you'd likely only need a small voice pickup or a trim, not a full re record.
Okay, great. Can you confirm that if I need to do a small voice pickup or a trim, or we can just handle it through text and captions?
Checking that now. I've asked Content Intelligence to compare the exact audio against the source corrections so we can choose the smallest honest fix.
तो देखिए दोस्तों, उसने ये एक कंटेंट इंटेलिजेंस का जो मेरा चैट है, कहाँ गया कहाँ गया कहाँ गया कहाँ गया कहाँ गया कहाँ गया, ये कंटेंट का उसने उसको वो मैसेज भेज दिया है। ठीक है, फाउंडर नीड्स एन एग्जैक्ट रिलीज फिक्स क्लासिफिकेशन, नाउ इंस्पेक्ट द रिलीज शेड्यूल एआई वाला रोम स्क्रिप्ट्स and report for each effective video claim. So basically, this is just unbelievable. I don't have to find the right chat and then give the right context. This voice agent already understand all the chats, understand all the context, and is able to delegate the task to the right agent. All I have to do is just speak. This is just incredible. इससे काम इतना फास्ट, प्रिसाइज और फन हो जाएगा कि literally you can just talk to your agent and then you can just get things done without worrying about कि मैंने कुछ स्किप तो नहीं कर दिया है। देखिए, मैं आपको एक छोटा सा दिखाता हूँ इसका। ओके, कैन यू जस्ट remind me and summarize all what we have discussed since we started to talk to each other?
Sure, I'll summarize it. Here's the picture we built. Your main priority is the September 1st beginner AI class, funneling content to a free class, then follow up, then the paid level 1 class. The bottleneck was content operations. So we separated production, publishing, content intelligence, and your command center so each has a clean lane. On video, no raw items are stuck outside production. 26 are unreleased, 7 are approved or scheduled, and 19 are waiting for your final review. The AI Walla 5-minute master is approved, and the 9 vertical letterbox cuts plus 10 VN mini videos are technically ready but need your approval. Quality guardrails are each short stands alone, starts with a clear subject and ends with a complete takeaway. And Instagram always means Facebook too. We fixed calendar clarity, but it exposed real holes like August 1st having no meta posts and YouTube missing shorts. So, publishing has permission to fill genuine gaps with approved content. For Meta, you want the visual system locked before daily posts, using the original serif logo as the brand mark. Analytics and citations are in progress, and the urgent risk is WhatsApp. A student once got an internal test reply from a locky route, so that has to be fully isolated before ads.
Okay, great. Thank you so much. This is really helpful. So, do you suggest that moving forward, I should just be doing my brain dump and just talk to you about this, and you can
Mhm.
delegate it to the right agent? And do you already have every context regarding my project and my startup, Grow Tricity?
Yes, let me check that quickly.
So this is just incredible. This is very
Yes,
powerful.
treat this as your brain dump and decision room. Talk naturally. I'll turn that into clear tasks with owners and keep your decisions from getting lost in chat. I have the core context and I'll check anything critical instead of guessing.
So dosto, literally this has made my life so much easier. I'm building courses, and for me this is really helpful. This is magical because I can just talk to this agent very freely, and it can give structure, and then I can do brainstorming with this agent rather than just giving do this, do that. I can talk and have back and forth questions and see what this agent opinion is. So check this out. Hey, you looked at the website design. I've been tweaking the website design at growtricity.com, and I already saw that there is some gaps in the funnel. But beside the funnel, what do you think about the content? Does it come across authentic, or is it very salesy? Is it precise, or is it very verbose? Is it going to bounce off very fast from the users? What are your take on it? Can you give me a ranking from 1 to 10?
Let me take a look at that.
So, guys, I'm going to share with
The
you
current
my.
look is strong, but I'm checking the live copy separately so the score reflects what a first time visitor reads. The domain is not opening directly, so I'm checking the deployed site from the verified production setup instead. My honest score is 6.5 out of 10 for the homepage copy as it stands. Authenticity is high, about 8 out of 10, because you're transparent about the real classroom, free first class, and you as the actual teacher. It's not overly salesy, maybe about a 5 out of 10, but it is too dense and mixed. Clarity is about 6 because the promise is strong, but the hero says build an app in 4 weeks, while other parts say level 1 is foundations and level 2 is the build. Gravity is about 4 out of 10. There's a lot competing at once. The bounce risk is about a 6 because beginners may feel overloaded before they commit. My recommendation is to keep the honesty, but tighten the first screen to just who it's for, what happens in the free class, the simple level 1 to level 2 path, and one clear next step. Then move the detail below.
Oh, this is great. So, listen, I'll continue talking to you about this thing. This is still work in progress, and I'm glad you were able to give me this feedback. This is really valuable. And how can we go about improving this ranking? How can we take it to 9, 8, 8.5? Uh, what do you suggest?
I'll check that. To get to about an 8.5, don't make it slicker, make it clearer. Make the level 1 to 2 promise consistent everywhere. Then rebuild the top of the page around one audience, one outcome, one action, booking the free class. Show the simple learning path, Prove it with real class photos and your software. Answer the big beginner fears in plain language and push the dense detail lower. That gets you to 8.5. For a 9, add proof that isn't written by us. Real student photos, short quotes, and example projects.
Okay, that's great. So, how can we get started with this? I would like to get this thing started because uh, this is the important part of my work right now, and of course, this is the spine of the sales funnel. So, where would you get it started? In one of the chats, I have the website SEO chat, and I also have the SEO delivery watchdog. In fact, I see there are number of duplicate chats going on with regarding website and SEO. So, what do you suggest?
Checking that now. I've set website SEO and GEO as the single execution owner for the homepage rewrite, and they'll bring you a review only proposal first, no live changes. The delivery watchdog will just audit afterward, so we avoid duplicate chats and conflicting edits. You'll get one proposed structure, one promise statement, and a clear list of what moves, stays, or goes.
Okay, I see that you've already delegated the task and they're at work. So I'll probably wait and see what they come back with, and we'll take it from there. And I hope I can take, with your help, this website ranking from 6 to 8.5, or even maybe to 9.
That sounds good. When you're ready, I'll walk you through what they propose and help you choose the simplest version that stays honest and gets results. In parallel, the video audit is back. No full re records needed. Just 2 short pickups would fix every affected video. One line for Rome about the MIT 5% finding, and one for AI Walla about the manpower 72% stat. We should hold Rome's slot tomorrow until that line is clean.
All right, I get it. Do you want like a talking head video, or just in a voiceover audio is good enough?
Checking that. A short talking head pickup is best, so it matches your existing videos and can be reused across the long cut, trailer, and verticals. Do both lines in one take, same lighting if possible.
Okay, great. Can you just share the lines with me on the chat so that I can do that now that my camera is already set up?
Sure. Getting though for you. Here they are on your screen. Each pickup is its own clean clip with 2 seconds of silence before and after.
Awesome. थैंक यू सो मच। अच्छा, एक आपसे एक और क्वेश्चन है, आप मेरे से हिंदी में भी बात कर सकते हैं?
हाँ, बिल्कुल मैं आपसे हिंदी में बात कर सकता हूँ।
और आपका जो एक्सेंट है वो इंडियन एक्सेंट में बात कर सकते हैं?
मैं अपनी आवाज़ नहीं बदल सकता, लेकिन मैं आपसे हिंदी में ही बात जारी रख सकता हूँ।
और जो आपका एक्सेंट है वो इंडियन एक्सेंट हो सकता है?
मैं अपना एक्सेंट बदल नहीं सकता, पर मैं हिंदी में आपकी मदद करता रहूँगा।
सो दोस्तों ये देखिए, दिस इज नॉट बैड इवन दो द हिंदी इज लिटिल अमेरिकनाइज्ड, actually very Americanized, but you can understand it. So language is not a barrier, and let's see if you can do another language also. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਚ ਵੀ ਗੱਲ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ?
चंगा, चलो मैं पंजाबी विच कोशिश करता हूँ।
ਤੁਸੀਂ
हाँ जी, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ, ਹਿੰਦੀ, ਇੰਗਲਿਸ਼ ਜਾਂ ਮਿਕਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਗੱਲ ਕਰੋ, ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਮਦਦ ਕਰਾਂਗਾ।
ਉਹ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ ਜੀ, ਮੈਨੂੰ ਬਹੁਤ ਚੰਗਾ ਲੱਗਿਆ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਹਿੰਦੀ 'ਚ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਦੋਨਾਂ 'ਚ ਗੱਲ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ। ਬਹੁਤ-ਬਹੁਤ ਮਿਹਰਬਾਨੀ।
जी, शुक्रिया। तुसी जितने comfortable हो उतना ही गल करो। मैं उसी हिसाब नाल जवाब देवांगा।
So guys, check this out. This is the new update from Codex. It's called the Live Voice. If you haven't upgraded it yet, upgrade it. This is the biggest step in Codex and vibe coding, and this is just a beginning for all the people who are just getting into AI. And if you want to learn more about AI and understand about the fundamentals and do really great things, follow us at growtricity.com. We have a channel in YouTube, we have a channel in Instagram and Facebook, and we'll keep on coming with new videos. Thank you very much. Support us. We're a new channel, and your support and your like, and please also share your comments so that we can improve and also share more of our knowledge and insights to help everybody. Thank you very much. Have a good night. Bye.